Well, hello and welcome to another February magic series that is all about love and business passion. Today we're exploring actionable strategies for infusing love into marketing, community, and engagement. So let's tune in. Hey, I'm Veronica Di Polo, and with more than 15 years being a marketing strategist, are you ready for actionable bite-sized episodes about business advice on marketing, branding, and messaging to take your business to the next level? If you're a service business owner, we'll show you how to attract qualified leads on social media and beyond. We'll reveal the art of showcasing your brand effectively, and will uncover the best strategies to hook your audience so they keep coming for more. Say goodbye to outdated marketing strategies and embrace the power of change. Welcome to the Branding Momentum Podcast. I'm going to give you different strategies on how you can actually infuse love into your business. And there's going to be three different ways. The first way is harmony of love and business passion. I know it sounds really corny, but I think we're going to enjoy this. It's a little bit different. It's about, blending love and business passion for service-based providers, and discover how infusing love into your business journey creates a special and emotionally meaningful bond with clients. So I want you to picture a coaching service launching a Love Your Journey campaign. And they offer a 30-minute personalized coaching session to the first 50 clients who share their favorite self-love practice on social media using a dedicated hashtag, so that everybody does the dedicated hashtag. This not only, creates an emotional connection, but also generates the buzz and engagement on social media platforms. Now, let's imagine an eco-friendly cleaning service offering a Love Your Home, Love and the Earth campaign. Very eco-friendly, right? Clients share their experiences with the service, and they emphasize how the eco-friendly practices not only creates a clean home, but it also contributes to a healthier planet. The cleaning service, what they can actually do is showcase these testimonials on their website and social media, inspiring others to choose sustainable cleaning options. Now, the second strategy, and strategies actually, it would be for love infused marketing. And here is all about, strategies, practical strategies. Learn how to add love and passion to your marketing, making your messages and your campaigns and branding truly resonate with your audience, of course. Imagine that you are a yoga studio launching Love Your Body, Love Your Practice on social media, and that is going to be a challenge. And clients are encouraged to share photos or videos of their favorite yoga poses, expressing the love and the gratitude of their bodies. So what the studio will do is that they're going to feature these posts on their social media channels, fostering a positive and supportive online community. It's all about community here, right? As well. And you're going to be sharing it, and it's going to be part of your marketing. Now, what if you are a graphic design service offering designs with heart, and you're going to be creating a campaign, Designs with Heart? Now, clients who purchase design services during the month of February, they can receive a personalized digital illustration that represents their brand with a touch of love. The service, what they can actually do is highlight these unique designs into their website and to their banners and social media, showcasing the emotional connection they bring to each client brand. And now the third one and the last one is going to be community engagement with heart. And it's all about connecting with your community. Find out how service providers can actually engage and build meaningful connections. Think of like workshops and events and collaborations to strengthen those community ties that you already have. So visualize, let's think about a real estate agency hosting Love Your Neighborhood initiative. So the agency partners with a local business to organize neighborhood cleanup days. And these residents come together to, beautify social spaces. We actually do that where I live here in Moraira, and it's actually a fun way to get to know new people. And local restaurants, not all the time, of course, offer to do the lunch for all those people that are actually participating. So this agency, what it can actually do is provide resources such as trash bags and gardening tools and fostering a sense of pride and community spirit. Now, let's say that you are a technology consultancy, and you're partnering with a local fitness center. And I'm trying to look for things that are actually different, trying to get a local community with a service. So I'm giving you simply ideas. So let's say you're a technology consultancy and you want to partner with a fitness center, and you create this campaign of like tech living workshops, and what it does is that the community members attend these workshops to explore the integration of technology in promoting health and well-being at home. So the tech consultancy, what it does is going to provide insights on smart home fitness equipment or health tracking apps and personalized wellness tech. This initiative not only supports a healthy lifestyle within the community, but also strengthens the collaboration between the tech consultancy and the fitness industry. You're doing like a mashup of you win-win situation, either for the fitness industry or as a technology. So I want to turn this into you. I want you to take inspiration from this, come up with ideas on how you can actually foster these examples, maybe into your own service businesses, and be sure that you tag us on Instagram and let us know on our new Instagram account, Branding Momentum. Tag us on your stories and let us know how you're doing it so that we are all there to support you. I know this was short and sweet, but I wanted to give you something different every month. And this was for the month of February. I hope to see you same time, same place next week. Bye-bye.